All right, let's get to it. Quick lesson right quick on how to nudge or align up your white layer with your Refinecolor printer. Since mine is off by a few pixels, maybe yours is too. I've seen a few people in the forum who's had an issue with the white showing from under their design. So once again, let's go back over here to layers. Let's hit Control, left click, select everything in the design. Go over here to channels. Just rewind that. Select, modify, contract. Always contract by a few pixels. It helps. Don't forget that one. Now over here to the channels, new spot channel. We make a W, white layer. I'm gonna zoom in by holding Alt, scroll wheel, zoom all the way in, push forward, push forward, push forward. You can see that the contraction has the white layer within the boundaries of the design. But since our Refinecolor printers are off by a few pixels, mine just happens to be about 4. I'm gonna nudge this red layer, which is my white layer, just over to the right by 4 pixels by using the arrow key on your keyboard. Make sure you have the move tool selected. Let's do it real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what looks like it's gonna show on Photoshop, but when I send it over to my printer, since my white layer is off, it's gonna be directly under my design. And you can see the difference right here. I'm gonna zoom in. You can see you can't see black here, but you can see a lot more over here. But my white layer is off once again, and it's gonna be perfect once I print it. That's it for today. Another quick tutorial.